Hey there, hope you're having a great day. Jim Munchbach here at missionalmoney.com. Missional Money is a website, but it's also a podcast. And I had a quick announcement. Missional Money is now on YouTube. We've been on YouTube actually for a while, but I just wanted to let you know that if you go to missionalmoney.com, I posted this announcement that our videos, our content, training, tools, tips, financial coaching resources, financial planning guides, a ton of information is being posted and migrated. The videos, the tutorials, all of that is being migrated to the playlist, Missional Money playlist on my YouTube channel. So there's a link in this post. You can find this post at missionalmoney.com. And if you don't find the post immediately, just hit the search bar and type in YouTube. It'll take you right to this post. Also wanted to just point out that the playlist is on my YouTube channel. I hope you'll subscribe and hit the little bell, and you'll get notified whenever I post new videos for Missional Money, the video podcast. So that's the announcement. You can see the playlist there. One final thing, when you click on when you go to missionalmoney.com and you see the connect section on the top left of the page, on every page, this YouTube icon will take you right to the playlist. So this is a new playlist on a new channel. So anyway, I hope you will check out the channel, subscribe, hit the little bell, and get notified. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.